Assalamu alaikum student. This is your teacher, Ms. Radha Asif from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. Students, what we are going to discuss today, what is the topic? Yes, today's topic is radicants and radical, right? So, before starting radicals and radicants topic, we should know that what is the exponential form of any expression? A power n. Any variable with power n. Here a or any variable that is called the base and power n is called the exponent, or we can say that also power. Okay? So a is the base and n is the exponent. This is called the exponential form, right? Now, what is called radical sign? What is called the radical sign? Radical form means this root sign. Okay? This symbol is called the radical sign. Students, if you are having a any variable with the root n, okay, this is called the radical sign and this is called the power. यहाँ पे what you can see that here you can see that n is written over here, right? So here a is any variable, right? And right, and this is your radical sign. This is the radical sign. Here a is called the radicand and this n is called the index. Clear? Again, I'm telling you, if a is within the radical sign, then a is called the radicand and here this is called the index. Okay? So after getting these points, let's discuss about if you are having the variable with power square like this. If you are having x power square, any variable x with power square, if this is equals to a, right? The value of x square is equal to a. If you want to remove this square, right? If you want to remove this square from this variable, what we can do, what you can do, you can take the power half on both sides. You can multiply both the this x square and this a with power half on both sides by multiplying both sides by power half. What you will get? X power square multiply with power half a. Here a is having power 1, right? Nothing is mentioned, that means a is having power 1. We get a 1 multiplied by half, we get half, right? Now this 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 will be cancelled, right? We get only 1 and there's no need to write power 1. So we get x is equal to a power half, right? Students, keep remember in your mind that power half means square root. ठीक है? Root, but कौन सा root होगा ये? This is called the square root. ठीक? So this is a with the radical sign. Now where is this 2 gone? There is no need to write 2 over here in the index. Clear? This radical sign shows that this is the square root of a. So we get x value will be x is equals to under root a. X is equals to square root a. Here अगर मैं आपसे बात पूछूं Okay, what is the radicand and what is the radical, what is the radicand and what is the index? तो आप कहेंगे A is the radicand and 2 is the index. Clear? Now students, similarly if you are having x power cube is equals to A, and if you really want to remove this power cube, what will you do? Think about it. Yes, you are right. You will take, you will multiply this cube power with 1 over 3 on both sides. Clear? X cube is going to be multiplied with power cube on both sides. Again, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 cancel. We get x. What we want? Only x with power 1. Right? Now, A 1 over 3. 1 over 3 means radical sign. ठीक? 1 over 3 means a radical sign and this 3 will become the index. ठीक है? Avoid writing a big 3 over here. Don't write like this. Okay, you are writing 3 root A. Don't write like this. This shows that this is the coefficient 3. Okay, just understand that what is the difference between these two expressions. This is the index 3 and this is the radicand. And this is the coefficient 3 with the radical sign. Clear? So avoid writing in such way. Clear, students? So yes. So here we get x is equal to cube root of a. ठीक है? X is equals to cube root of a. In the same way, if we are having power 4, we will multiply both sides with power 1 over 4 and we will get x is equal to radical sign a with the fourth root of a, right? Fourth root of a. This is a cube root of a. This is a square root of a. This is a fourth root of a. And in general, if we are having, in general, if we are having x power n equals to a, right? If there is power n, we only want x power 1. We will multiply both sides with power 1 over n like this. This n ones are n, n ones are n is cancelled. We get x is equals to a with radical sign having index n, right? So we will say that nth root of a. We will say nth root of a. Here n is the index and a is the radicand. Get my point? Now students, from your book, page number 12, chapter number 1, page number 12, here you can see that radicals and radicands. If n belongs to positive integers and n is greater than 1, let a belongs to real number, then for any positive real number x such that x square is equals to a, then what will we do? We don't want a power square over there. So we have what we have done, we have multiplied both sides with power half. This is cancelled, we get x is equals to root a. I have already explained you here that a under root square root of a is equals to x. right? In the similarly, we are having x power cube is equals to a. Then we will get x is equals to cube root of a. We will say that cube root of a. So similarly, in general, x की power n is equals to a. Then finally, we have x is equals to nth root of a. Nth root of a. So here a are the radicands and n is called the index. I hope that now the radicals and radicands, the concepts of radical and radicands is clear to you, including exponents and base also. So here in from page number 1.3, you can easily identify, this is question number 1, you can easily identify radicants and index in this page. So here we can see that 5, question number 1, bit number 1, cube root of 5, right? Cube root of 5 is there. So what is radicand and what is the index? So this 5 is the radicand and here 3 is the index. Similarly, in bit number 2, x over y is the radicand and 4 is your index. Now I want you all to just open page number 14 and do question number 1 and bit number 3 by yourself. Complete this question, and if you are having any problem you can discuss it with me in your physical session. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.